Come with me as I unbox this keyboard from Higround. It is a one-piece collaboration and it is a 65 keyboard, so enjoy. This is a compact keyboard. It fits in your hand. It has great feel, great weight, and it is mechanical. And I did like the presentation that came within the box and how it looked out, how the anime looked on the keys. I love the color. I love the feel. Higround did a really great job. I tried this brand out for the first time, and I really enjoyed the presentation that came within the box. This keyboard is mechanical. You can hear the tactile feedback, which is great. It is USB-C, and it does have a RGB color background with different color arrays. And it is an anime collaboration, which Higround has a lot of different combinations on their website. It is a 65% layout, and it is a great keyboard with great feel and great feedback. Go ahead, say like, follow, and share.
Share.
Good job, kids.